My name is Orlin Marcia. I'm from Esa Unggul University Campus Tangerang. So in this video, I will present my mid-test project about 8 basic teaching skills. This video will contain 8 segments based on classroom observation, oral commentary, and my own teaching demonstration. The 8 teaching skills are: first, opening and closing a lesson; second is questioning; the third is reinforcement; the fourth is explaining; variation, classroom management, guiding into small group discussion; and the last is teaching small group and individuals. In each segment, I will show the observed teacher's clips, explaining the strengths and the weaknesses, and demonstrate and improve teaching practice. Thank you, and I hope you will enjoy my video.
Nah, coba perhatikan. Jangan lihat, look at this. Okay, everybody just look at me semuanya. Lihat ke saya. Dah. Okay. Ini nama apa yang kamu pegang apa? Kamu pegang baju apa? Ada pegang semua. Apa yang kamu pegang? Tentunya ada apa saja di sini? Ada gambarnya. Apa lagi? Apa yang dilihat?
In this clip, the teacher used a real product to introduce the lesson about labels. It helps the students to easily understand the material and also focus on the topic. But the teacher still use Bahasa Indonesia quite often during the lesson. In my demonstration, I will use more English expression and make the lesson more interactive. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you all good because today we will learn something important. Please look at this product. Do you know this milk? Today we will learn about labels. What information can you find on this product? Very good. Today we'll learn about labels and its function. What is the function of labels? Excellent! So for the homework, please find one product at your home and then identify the label information. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone. See you next meeting.
Penting aja, penting banget. Atau biasa aja, penting banget tadi kan? Ayo berikan alasannya. Biar nggak salah beli. Biar nggak salah beli. Kenapa kalau salah beli?
In this clip, the teacher gives question about why label is important. It encourages students to think critically about lesson, but the teacher sometimes repeat explanation in Bahasa Indonesia. In my demonstration, I will ask question and using simple English and different thinking levels. Okay everyone, please look at this product. What is product name? What ingredient can you find on the label? Can you mention one nutrition fact? Why label is important? What do you think? That's correct.
Dua aja, dua kata. Informasi. Ya.
In the video, we can see that the teacher gave non-verbal reinforcement like smiling and pointing at the students who answer the question. It helps students to feel appreciated. But the teacher rarely give verbal reinforcement like good job or excellence. In my demonstration, I will combine verbal and non-verbal reinforcement. Excellent! Very good! Thank you for your answer. That's correct.
Ya, nih. Kan di sini kan suka ada tulisan permainan ketiga ya? Iya. Suka baca nggak? Pernah baca kan? Suka baca? Ya. Biasa ini kan jarang permanen kan? Tulis aja deh. Asik banget. Nggak taunya permanen. Kira-kira ya tulisnya bisa nggak? Bisa nggak? Bisa. Udah pakai tinta. Betul? Jadi kamu tahu kan intinya belajar lebar. Halo, assalamualaikum.
In this video, we can see that the teacher used a real product to explain the materials. It helps students to understand about the materials more easily. But the teacher still limited at media, using media, and too much Bahasa Indonesia. In my demonstration, I will explain the material using a simple English and clear examples. Okay everyone, please look at the label, the milk label. As you can see, this is the milk label, and this is the name of the product, and in here you can see the ingredients, and then this is the nutrition fact, and also you can find the expiration date here. From this, we can learn that all labels give us information about the product.
Kira-kira apa coba? Apa? Biar tahu informasi produknya. Iya, kenapa? Kalau misalnya kita salah beli, kenapa kita harus penting banget sih? Kan penting banget gitu.
In this clip, we can see that the teacher used voice variation during the lesson. It helped the student to stay focused and pay attention to the teacher, but there's still lack of learning media used in the class. In my demonstration, I will use a voice variation, movement, and also media together. Okay, so everyone, please look at this product. Can you see the labels? This is the labels. And this one. Okay, now pay attention to this part. What do you think about this? That's correct. This is expiration date. Great.
Can you be quiet? Can you be quiet? Okay.
In this video, we can see that the teacher controlled the class by asking the students to be quiet when the class became noisy. The teacher could control the class situation quite well, but the teacher mostly used direct warning. In my demonstration, I will manage the class by using calm instruction and also positive attention. Okay, everyone, please eyes on me. Okay, thank you. Please pay attention to the lesson. Okay, now group 1 will present their presentation, so everyone please listen carefully.
Nanti kamu bikin di kertas lembar satu kelompoknya, udah tahu ya, sama aja dengan kelompok produser kemarin ya, produser kemarin. Ya, produser kemarin. Nah, sudah. Kamu tulis. Nah, kira-kira ingredient atau bahan-bahannya, bagian-bagian labelnya apa saja, sebutkan. Produknya ini apa, deskripsinya apa, ingredientsnya apa saja, deskripsinya apa, expired date udah paham belum? Contoh orang.
Okay, from the video we see that the teacher explained the group discussion task to the students, and the student understood what they need to do during the activity, but the teacher does not explain clearly about the goal of the discussion. In my demonstration, I will explain the discussion goals more clearly and guide the students during the activity. Okay, everyone, please work in group, and I will give you one product for each group. You will discuss with your friend and find information about the product labels. And then you need to find the product name, ingredients, and also the expiration date. From this activity, you will understand about label information. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, so let's start the discussion.
Kira-kira apa? Contohnya, apa sih namanya? Kenapa penting kita mengetahui label? Kenapa? Penting nggak? Penting aja? Penting banget? Atau biasa aja? Penting banget tadi kan? Ayo berikan alasannya. Biar nggak salah beli. Kenapa kalau salah beli?
From the video, we see that the teacher encouraged the students to answer the question and also participate during the lesson. This helped the students to become more active in the classroom. But there still need improvement in individual guidance, so the students can participate equally. In my demonstration, I will guide students individually and encourage everyone to participate. Okay, Maria, can you find the expiration date? That's good. How about you, Nico? Can you find the ingredients? Okay, that's correct. Okay, please discuss with your group and everyone should participate. Okay? Very good. This observation helped me to understand how 8 basic teaching skills are applied in the classroom, and I also learned that the teacher not only just explain the material but also manage the classroom, ask effective question, give reinforcement, and also create an activities to the students. And from this project, I learned that how to evaluate teaching practice and make my own alternative teaching demonstration. So that's all about my teaching demonstration. Thank you for watching.